Get. Oh. What are you doing? Oh. Somebody is playing with her Bubba. Ooh. This is a morning ritual with these two. As for this guy, I'm not sure what his problem is. He goes kind of nuts. He's going to fall off the couch if he keeps it up. But, yep. She'll get out. She'll go outside. She comes back in, and this is what she does. She goes straight to her Bubba. Kahlua, what are you doing?
She's interrupting my reading time. That's what she's doing.
Oh, what are you reading?
Book.
Oh, no shit, Sherlock. I was just kind of wanting to know the title of it.